Hi Leo, welcome to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live next for my tarot reading session. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment below of what you think about this reading. Leo, if this message doesn't resonate with you, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. As this is a collective energy reading, it may or may not resonate with every single Leo out there. You can also now follow me on Facebook, and I will leave the link down below in the description box. So, Leo, for your monthly May 2020 reading, I've incorporated archangel messages along with tarot reading. And your archangel that came forward for your reading today is Archangel Jophiel. And the first the first thing that I'm picking up here, Leo, is emotions, like lots of emotions here. I even like it even seems like your emotion is right now all over the places, Leo. Like I'm picking up a lot of anxiety, I'm picking up lots of distress, regret, focusing on the spilled milk, like basically lots of emotion here. And I feel like you are unable to control your emotion, or you are just unable to release or to basically to release your emotion in a positive way here. So I do feel like you might even be in a place where you're just putting up all your emotion, like you're just putting up all your emotion in one place and just like piling up one after the other, which is just making you like a living time bomb here. Like your emotion is going to explode anytime soon here, Leo. I also feel like you might even be unable to stop, or you might be feeling that you're somehow being emotionally manipulated, like due to some situation or some people in your life at this point of time that could just making you feel like you are being emotionally manipulated at this point of time, Leo. So I also feel like you are trying to get up again. Like what the image that I'm getting here for you, Leo, is someone who has been defeated for so many times and trying to get up again. And due to that, all the emotion is now all over the places here. Like that you're trying to pick yourself up from all these battles, from all these things that that just put you down, all of this situation, on all of these people that have put you down emotionally and making you feeling lots of distress, making you feeling lots of anxiety, and you're trying to pick up yourself from that. And also when you're trying to pick up yourself from that, this is when all of this emotion, like all of this pain and hurt came running through into your life here. And I do feel like you are currently like feeling so defeated, and you're just like you're just unable to find yourself here. So I do feel, Leo, in the month of May here is all about the journey to find yourself back, to journey to find your true self here and to nurture it here. So I do feel like in the month of May here you will be putting up effort on how to, like, taking up baby step, taking up step one by one here to just pull yourself up from after being defeated here, Leo. And the archangel that came forward here as Archangel Jophiel, which is here to that she is here at this point of time in the month of May and throughout to assist you in self-love, to assist you in managing and releasing your emotion in a positive way here, Leo. So you can always call upon her at any time during your meditation, and you can even visualize a pink, magenta like energy coming towards you and just showering you with all the love, with all this self-love that you've been wanting to have, that you've been dreaming to have here. So again, I do feel like in the month of May, this is most the month of May mostly is going to be about you here, Leo. And this is basically all the things that you need to do, all the things that you need to relearn again in order to find yourself here. And also feel like you have been going through lots of conflicts, lots of deceitful manipulation here. Again, emotional manipulation is coming so strong in your reading. So I do feel like this is something that you have experienced in the past, or you might have experienced recently, that you're just going to bring up the energy into the month of May. Lots of sneakiness, lots of manipulative behavior here that's been going on into your life here, Leo, that making you even thinking that maybe this is all your fault. Maybe you are the one who is maybe you're the person who actually like easily to trust people, and easily to think that all these people in your life actually have, like, you might be thinking that you've been, all these peoples in your life, all of these people that's been surrounding you actually had you for your highest good, but in return they actually do not have any intention for your highest good. In return, you might be thinking that you trusted them, and all they've given you here is sneakiness, manipulation, and deception. And I do feel like what happened here is that all those realization, all those manipulation, all those emotional manipulation, distress, anxiety is actually like making you like shaking things up here, Leo, like crushing down all your belief, crushing down all your foundation. So I do feel like you are going through tower moment at this point of time, Leo, and whatever coming up next in the month of May, like all this tower movement, all of this thing that's been crumbling down, is time for you to rebuild again. So again, I do feel like you are trying to get yourself up, you're trying to rebuild your life here. And I do feel like once you do that with the help of Archangel Jophiel, what you are going to start it with learning your true self, with learning your true essence here, with getting in touch with your higher self here, with the help of the divine archangels, God, universe, spirit guides, ancestor, whoever you are believing it with all of their help here, Leo, you're going to rebuild yourself, and you're going to start it from self-love here. And I also feel like you've been putting up emotional wall, like you have been coming up so defensive lately. So I do feel like you're also relearning on how to break down all the walls that you've been having, all this emotional and defensive wall that you've been having here. And I do feel like in the month of May will be the month for lots and lots of healings here, lots and basically a self-discovery journey that you will be going through here, Leo, in the month of May 2020, along with the help of Archangel Jophiel, who will be that throughout the month and moving forward to assist you in refinding yourself, in basically putting yourself first, and nurturing your inner self here. So I do feel like lots of healings coming up here, and once you do that, there will be lots and lots of victorious movement that will be coming up towards you here, Leo. So at this point of time, you're being asked to let go. You're being asked to release all these burdens that you have been carrying for so long here, and just basically take a baby step here. Take the time for you to rest, take time for you to meditate, and just let go and surrender to the divine here, Leo. So that's it for your Archangel channel message for the month of May 2020, and we are going to look at your tarot reading here. The first card here is being represented on what you need to hold on to, Leo. The second card is being represented on what you need to let go, and the third card here is indicating that how you need to balance out yourself between the first two energy here. So what you need to hold on into here is being represented with the Queen of Cups, which is indicating that your true self, your inner self here, your emotional self here. So I do feel like you are being asked to hold on to all your emotion, all your positive emotions here, all your true self here, what you truly love, what you truly enjoy. Basically you're going to relearn about yourself here. You're going to nurture what you love the most here, and you're going to find out what you love the most here, and you're going to hold on into, and you're going to nurture it here. So again, this is just confirming the message that I've got from Archangel Jophiel, that you're going through a self-healing process, a self-finding process here. Like you're going to find your true inner self, which is being represented by the Queen of Cups, someone who is actually emotionally mature, someone who has a lots and lots of love to give to others as well as themselves here. The next card here is being represented on what you need to let go. Here Leo is being represented with the 5 of Cups. So I do feel like you need to let go of this energy on focusing on the spilled milk here. So just let go of this, everything that have happened in the past here, all these people that have hurt you, all the situation that have been giving you anxiety, that have been giving you distress, that's just been building up fear within yourself here, Leo. So let go of that energy, and I do feel like there are lots of new opportunity that is waiting for you here, that is already ready for you to grab here. So once you let go of this energy, once you going through this self journey here, you will be finding out what you love the most, and you're going to nurture it, and from there will be a transformation that will be happening. So how are you going to balance out yourself between these first two energy is being represented with the death card. So again, transformation, something had to come to an end, something had to die here, so a new thing will be rebuilt. So basically this is a rebirth transformation here, like transformation, rebirth of yourself. So this is basically you coming out again. This is the rebirthing process of you that will be starting out in May. So lots and lots of amazing things that will be coming up towards you in the month of May here, Leo. This is basically your rebirth. You're basically not going to take anything less than you deserve. You're basically not to let anyone that just crossing your path and without actually respecting your boundaries and without actually respecting yourself here. So rebirth and transformation, that is what happening for you, Leo, in the month of May 2020. And that's it for your monthly reading. I hope it resonates, and if it does, again, please don't forget to support the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also like, share and comment below on what you think about this reading, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and be safe. Bye bye.